can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Over the last 1 week, altcoins have been stumbling. Over the last 1 week, we have seen Bitcoin pull back, we have seen Ethereum pull back. And right now, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. It's neutral on a daily time frame, neutral on a weekly time frame, neutral on a monthly time frame. And according to the altcoin season index, we're still in the altcoin month region, and we're very close to an altcoin season. An altcoin season is where altcoins will go parabolic. We look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, currently at 58.77%. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades above $111,000. Ethereum is chilling above 4,300. So what's next for altcoins in the cryptocurrency market? We'll also look at meme coins in the market. A meme coin is going to have one final push in this cycle. We'll look at news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. If you go on a monthly time frame, some altcoins are still up triple digits, double digits across the board. But guys, the last 1 week has seen fear return back to the cryptocurrency market. But right now, sentiment is neutral. Even though we are seeing prices near all-time highs, market participants want higher prices. For Bitcoin, market participants want to see it at $150,000. $200,000 for Ethereum, market participants want to see that $5,000 ETH. Can we get there anytime soon? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. If we look at king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin trading around $111,000. This dump has been one of the shallow dumps we have seen throughout the cycle. Bitcoin got to $124,000 on the 14th of August 2025, and since then we have seen Bitcoin decline to as low as 107,000. Just a 13 or a 14% dip in around 18 days, which, if you're in the cryptocurrency market, is nothing to write home about. That dip can happen in 24 hours. So it's very strange to see market participants go from greed to fear in just the space of less than a month. If you look at the last dump we had earlier in 2025, when Bitcoin got to as high as $109,000, we're dumping until April before the bottom came in. When the bottom came in April, Bitcoin was already down 31%, even though it took like 78 days for that dump to be completed. So maybe, just maybe, we are gearing up for that extended dump. Maybe, just maybe, we're just consolidating to continue pumping to higher prices. But once in a short, market participants want to see Bitcoin break new all-time highs again, even though we have seen it consolidating over the last 1 month. If you bought Bitcoin on the 23rd of May 2025, basically exactly where you bought that Bitcoin, and even though it's 105 days have passed, we've seen Bitcoin lose 11% of its value in that time frame. We have also seen Bitcoin on the other side gain 11% from that price range. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if this is the level to beat, the $112,000 level. That's proving to be a very crucial level right now for Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it paints a better picture of where the market is heading over the next few days and the next few weeks. Now, Bitcoin dominance was rising as the price of Bitcoin was rising, which is normally what we see, because Bitcoin is the #1 crypto in the market, and Bitcoin is the largest with a market cap of over $2.2 trillion. But something changed, guys, in June. Bitcoin was pumping to higher prices since June 26th of 2025, but Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market has been declining, losing around 12% of its value in the process. Historically, Bitcoin dominance declining has always coincided with altcoins doing well, and that's why if you look at the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, it has actually been rallying aggressively since 22nd of June 2025. Ethereum has gone from as low as $2,120. We've seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,955, a 133% move over the last 70 plus days. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has just sideways. Bitcoin has been trading around $110,000 since the 25th of May. Right now, still trading at that price region. So you can understand why market participants are getting kind of fearful. You can understand why sentiment is neutral. But guys, the game is not over. I believe the final phase of the market cycle is where we see bigger gains. If you have been in crypto for a while, you will notice the pattern: Bitcoin rallies, Ethereum rallies, XRP, BNB rallies, Tron rallies, and then we start seeing coins further down the chain also having a great time. And that's what I believe is going to happen in the next few days and the next few weeks, with Ethereum already outpacing Bitcoin, with Bitcoin dominance already dumping. My number one thesis is Bitcoin dominance will continue dumping, while we'll see more altcoins in the cryptocurrency market mimicking Ethereum and pumping to higher prices. But let's look at altcoin season index. This altcoin season index tells us performance of altcoins relative to Bitcoin on a monthly time frame. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 30-day period, that is an altcoin month. And right now, we're in that altcoin month region. We've been going in and out of an altcoin month over the last 50 plus days. On a seasonal time frame, that's on a 90-day time frame. For us to get an altcoin season, we need more than 75% of the top 50 coins to do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And you can see a lot of these altcoins are already doing better than Bitcoin. We just need less than 15% of those top 50 coins to do better than Bitcoin, and we'll be singing Kumbaya and we'll be going to the moon. But it's not that easy, guys. If you notice, anytime we get altcoin season, historically the party is already ending. If you look at all the times the altcoin season index printed, yes, when altcoin season, that's when you want to be selling for some sweet profit, because at that point in time, all the altcoin gains are already realized. At that point in time, even a dumb retail investor can see, I should go into the altcoin market. So you want to buy before we get to altcoin season, and when we get to altcoin season, that's when you want to be selling for some sweet profit. And that leads us to the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, and total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's start with the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around $3.78 trillion. We saw the total crypto market cap getting to as high as $4.17 trillion. This was in August of 2024. There were warning signs there. There was a huge bearish divergence. We saw total crypto market cap first getting to as high as $3.94 trillion on the 22nd of July 2025. And then we saw it setting a new high without the momentum indicator setting a new high. That was a red flag. We'll talk about that. And since then, we've seen a decline in the total crypto market cap. That decline has gone down around 12%. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, the number one signal to watch out for will be the total crypto market cap setting new all-time highs, Ethereum and other altcoins setting new all-time highs, Bitcoin dominance dumping without Bitcoin setting new all-time highs. If all these conditions are met, guys, I'm afraid that might be the telltale sign that the cycle is over. Total crypto market cap can be said to be consolidating since the 14th of July 2025. We have been moving sideways. We have rallied, we have gone up and we have gone down. First, we have gone down by around 6%. We've also pumped up by around 10%. But all things being equal, total crypto market cap has been ranging around the $3.78 trillion level over the last 53 plus days. And that's near all-time highs. In 2021, we didn't get to that $3.78 trillion level. Right now, total crypto market cap is actually at an all-time highs region. Over the next few days, guys, we are going to see it probably increase back to the $4 trillion level, but all depends on the altcoin market excluding Bitcoin. Now, the altcoin market excluding Bitcoin is also near all-time highs. We're currently trading at regions where we're trading in the end of 2021 bull market. I believe over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we might see it blasting aggressively to new highs, causing a lot of FOMO in the market. Market participants will start singing Kumbaya. That's what happens. At the bottom, market participants are bearish. At the top, they are very bullish. But right now, near all-time highs, this neutral sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Over the next few days, we'll see Ethereum getting to that $5,000 level. We see a lot of altcoins also pushing up to higher prices. We might finally just see total crypto market cap get to as high as $2.3 trillion. That's around a 50% move from where we're currently trading. It looks very big and outrageous, but if you put it into context, I saw total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin just on the 7th of April around the $886 billion level. But since then, total crypto market cap has rallied up to as high as $1.7 trillion, about a 100% move. I have a theory. The final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made. So I'm waiting for most of those gains. That's where you see all coins pumping 10x, 100x. That's where you see meme coins pulling up 50% moves in 24 hours. If you look at total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's some argument to made that the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, has rallied to all-time highs because Ethereum has also rallied to all-time highs. And you notice, not just only Ethereum, total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, has also gotten back to all-time high territory, even though we have not blasted above where we were trading in December of 2024. I believe in the coming weeks, a rally could take us there, just a 20% rally for the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, could carry us to as high as $1.25 trillion. And if you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, it's clear Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. It has been outperforming Bitcoin for more than 100 days right now. We've seen the rise of Bitcoin digital asset treasuries by companies in the US. Now we are seeing those companies also rush to accumulate as much Ethereum as possible. More than 140 days of Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum get to that 0.055 ratio level against the king of the market, Bitcoin. If you look at the meme coin market, over the last 30 days, Dogecoin is up 8.35%, Shiba Inu 1.74%, but in the top 10, meme core, so the meme coin that is roaring hard. The last 1 week has seen it rally up by 226%. The last 30 days has seen it rally up by 170%. And the big one is that in the last 60 days, meme core is up over 1,300%. I'll continue keeping an eye on the meme coin market. I believe that's where most of the gains are going to be made at the final phase of this market cycle. We'll be getting very, very close to that price region. If you look at what the meme coin market has done over the last 1 year, December of 2024, the market cap for the total meme coin market got to as high as $134 billion. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, it's relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is the king of the market, with a market cap of over $2 trillion. Bitcoin can easily get to as high as $125,000, $126,000, depending on how high Bitcoin goes. But I strongly believe we're very, very close to the top. That's if the top is not already in. Bitcoin has not moved anywhere over the last 60 days. And in that same time frame, Ethereum has moved up 67%. XRP has moved up 23%. BNB 27%. Solana 33%. Dogecoin 22%. Tron 16%. Cardano 39%. You get the gist. All coins are outperforming Bitcoin over the last 60 days. And the next 30 days is going to be very, very crucial for the altcoin market. And liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has actually been reducing. The last 24 hours has seen only 97,000 traders getting liquidated. The total liquidation is coming in around $253 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on OKX. One trader lost $1.66 million of his money. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to wreck yourself before the main party starts. I believe we're going to see short liquidation to the upside, where bears are going to get wrecked, where bulls are going to get overconfident, thinking this time is different and we're going to the moon. Remember, guys, the higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet, sweet profit. Let's scroll through the markets. What are the news going around the cryptocurrency market? Avoidable errors wiped a year worth of Gary Gensler's text. Oops. That was very, very crazy. This guy was in office for over 4 years, stopping the cryptocurrency market anywhere he could, front, left, and center, lawsuits here and there. And right now we're hearing that most of his text messages during the most important time in the bear market, when FTX collapsed and all, we're hearing that those text messages have been wiped off by an unavoidable error, which is very, very crazy. Dogecoin may see its first ever ETF launch next week. That will be good news for the altcoin market. Public companies reach 1 million Bitcoin. That's 5.1% of the supply. Guys, I believe at some point in time in future, this might come to bite us in the ass. But hopefully, right now it's working in our favor as we are rallying to higher prices. Bitcoin drops to $108,000 possible as investors fly to safety assets. And XRP stuck in the downtrend, but 3 data points forecast its 5% bounce to the moon. Justin Sun, Wifey wallet backlisted after a $9 million token transfer. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Market is not bullish. We're seeing sentiment being neutral. The bulls and the bears have points why we should go up, why we should dump down to Goblin Town. Fear and Greed Index tells us sentiment is neutral across the board. Altcoin season indexes were almost near an altcoin season on the monthly time frame. We're already roving around an altcoin month. Are you buying more altcoins right now? How high do you see Bitcoin and Ethereum going in the coming days and the coming weeks? And more importantly, what's your plan for altcoin season? Are we going to be pumping to the moon? Is the cycle over? Are we dumping to Goblin Town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.